This is one of those things where the name should indicate what it is. So instead of calling it gamma and X, they should just call it electron rays and nuclear rays,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And then you could say the nuclear ray is in the X-ray section of this X-ray part of the spectrum, or this nuclear ray is in the gamma part of the spectrum.
Right. And with like an overlap. Oh, you
Right.
can't see me. That's right. I did.
Yeah.
I did thumbs and pinkies overlapping.
I see. Yeah, so that's annoying. Then, based on context, you have to know: is it a gamma ray meaning the spectrum, or is it a gamma ray meaning the origin? Like, annoying.
That's annoying. And I guess it doesn't matter because at the end of the day, all you care is that there's a photon of however much energy, and you need to deal with it in terms of shielding, because that's what I'm working on right now.
Right.
But I guess no, it does matter. It does matter because you do want to know what the source is.
Well, you do want to know what the source is, but when you're
you wanna know
describing
sources
the
for other reasons.
right, when you're describing you don't have to bake the source information into the name of the photon. You can just say nuclear sourced photon if you need to know.
I see what you're saying.
Like if you're doing an experimental setup and it's like I got gamma rays, it's like, well, I guess I have no idea where it came from. It's like, no, I can read the manual and figure out where it came from, and then design my experiment appropriately. This like situation where we don't know where it came from, but I'm glad they had the name. Otherwise, I wouldn't have built the experiment the way I,
Yeah, I see what you're saying. It's It's an issue of a word having two meanings.
Mhm.
To separate them.
I invested $1 million into my lab and I built all of this shielding because it emits gamma rays. And somebody's like, what? Those are actually X-rays. You're like, what? You didn't do any research? What are you doing? That's not going to happen.
Yeah, weird scenario, but I went with it.